it's me, Ivan. So today we're gonna continue doing the EV3 robot project. So we're basically gonna do like the new robot, the trial and error thing. So the bevel bot's like you build this all thing. It's it's basically the robot we did before, but it has it's like one of these robots, like an easier robot, like with 4 wheels, it's like an arrow tipped. So I think we're gonna start with that. So remember to build it, and then if the motor doesn't match, it should match. Like when you build it, you should see them plug into A. So just plug it into A. So now first we're gonna make a few new variables. The first variable is wheel diameter. Wheel diameter. The second one is gear ratio. And the third one is gear rotations. So this is gonna the gear rotation thing. See how much it rotates. Just checks. So you might see on top here. No, on the robot, when it's done running the code, there should be 3 numbers. You should understand later. And then the last variable called actual rotations. Actual rotations. So now, first we're going to set wheel diameter to 3. So that's just, Set. So first, so wheel diameter. Okay, let me see. Wait, what? No. To 3. And then set gear ratio to 20 divided by 12. Okay, so now this 20 divided by 12, basically you can actually just try yourself and change the numbers. It doesn't need to be the same, but it's 20 divided by 12. It's your choice. You can change it and see what's the, like before I changed to 15. And I also changed to 20 before. It has different effects. Just try to change it yourself too. And then set gear rotations after. To 100 divided by wheel diameter times 3.14 times gear ratio. It's a bit of math script, but no, you'll be able to keep up in no time. So I'm just gonna grab the slash and this times. Okay, so now it's 100 times slash. Wheel diameter 3.14. So now we have done this. We can now go to motor and A set speed to 100, I suppose. But you can also change that to 250 to make a faster speed or slower speed, or 20. So I think I'm gonna do to 250 to make a bit faster speed. And then I'm gonna do 8 degrees counted, reset degrees counted. So when you see the A motor, the motor actually gives off how much the wheel spins. It's like a value point. It's gonna, I think, change every 0.001 seconds or so. But A reset, so whenever the program starts, it's gonna reset the degree. So if it's probably 1432, it's just gonna change that to 0. Even if it's stored negative, it will move backward, like the move backwards wheel. Move back negative 1432, it would still set to 0. So I think that's clear for you guys. And then now A run counterclockwise for gear rotation. Gear rotations, I mean, because. And then set actual rotation to 8 degrees counted divide by negative 360. So actual, and then slash. So now here, everything's actually changeable. So you can change any of the numbers here too. Just change it. We're gonna warn you, just try not to change this to like 1,000 and those big numbers might go crazily wrong. So now we're gonna do the last part. It's the part where like when I talk with what did I say, like the area, like when it ends the code, like just quickly add, like get the robot before stopping the code. And then you should see the numbers on the screen, like different numbers. So let's see what's the first one. So we're gonna go to display and put a right add block. So and now we're gonna get for the first gear rotation. Okay, this geared rotation, so we put it here. So it's gonna write what's the value of the geared rotation. So we did that here, 100 divided by wheel diameter times 3.14 times gear ratio. So I think that should be clear. So this actually, so that's the value. So it's gonna put down every time you should see a slightly different, not like it might be a few numbers changed, but I don't think there's too much change. So and then this is the X position. So we're gonna name 1 for so it's gonna be, I think, in the middle. So it's the X and Y position on the screen. So in other Scratch lessons I take, like it's basically that. So. And then we're going to do that large block. Okay, here you can choose any, depending what you like white and like bold, black, white, bold, white. And now write actual rotations at 133. Okay, you might think, oh yeah, like why does it start in the middle? Actually, the 1 wouldn't actually start at the left, I think the left top corner. Because when you do that, the robot's like actually the left top corner. So it's like basically the regular, like the square grid multiplication table. I think sort of like that. So and then right, it's gonna be now a bit of math or some sort of the last value. It's actual rotation times wheel diameter divided by times by 3.14 / divided by gear ratio. So I'm just gonna get wheel actual rotations, wheel diameter. So I'm gonna put a times. Actually, you can just duplicate from here. It's basically the same as a set gear rotation, but it's a bit different. And now we're going to put 65, so it's going to continue to be lower. Okay, so I was thinking, yeah, this is all the code. After the tutorial, you can actually change any numbers just you want, and save as a copy if you change your mind. If you're good at coding, you can change it back. So I think, yeah, you can change, like I changed that to 5 and blah blah blah. I can change every number in the game. I'm not saying. Just try your best to change numbers, because I'm actually not good at changing numbers. So I think we're gonna end it here. So I hope you guys have a good time learning. Please smash the subscribe button and click the like button. Bye. See you next time.